I'm gonna take those off and see if we have maybe a blown fuse, something simple. All right, so the bit of choice is a CRV. It's a T15 with a hole in the center. So again, this is from Harbor Freight. I think I've used these like 5 times since I bought them. Nice to have for these kind of things where the safety's there, prevent you from essentially hurting yourself, killing yourself. These microwaves are dangerous. 5 of those off. Don't forget the 5th one on the side. Oh man. Well, that ain't good. It's not just going to be a fuse, I don't think. Let's turn that around so you guys can get a look. Get you in a little bit closer here. Man, that's going into the inverter transformer here. I was hoping it was just a fuse.